London, a world of flavors on the street. London is amazing. People from everywhere live here. This makes the food super interesting. Street food is everywhere in London. It's a great way to taste food from around the world. You can find food from Asia, Africa, and more. You can eat yummy noodles, spicy curries, or tasty wraps. London's street food scene is always exciting. From around the globe, London's street food variety. One day you can try Korean BBQ, so yummy. The next day you can have Mexican tacos. They're spicy and delicious. London has something for everyone. Don't forget about the classics. You can find burgers, hot dogs, and more. London's street food is perfect for a quick lunch or a fun dinner. Fish and chips, a British icon. Let's talk about fish and chips. It's the most famous British dish. Imagine crispy golden fish. Now add fluffy chips. It's served with mushy peas and tartar sauce. It's the perfect comfort food. People in London have enjoyed fish and chips for ages. Cooking up a storm, your own fish and chips. Want to make your own fish and chips? It's easy peasy. First, get some fresh fish. Cod or haddock are great choices. Next, you'll need potatoes for the chips. Make a batter with flour, beer, and spices. Dip the fish in the batter. Fry the fish and chips until golden brown, and there you have it. Fish and chips is a taste of London's history. It's delicious and satisfying. When you're in London, don't miss out.